Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not download image. Check your iPhone's internet connection and try again. So guys, if you want to download any image on WhatsApp in iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, as you can see here, when I am going to download this picture on my iPhone, I am facing this issue again and again. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, this problem, main reason of this problem is your internet connection. So guys, if you have not connected with internet connection, then guys you need to connect with any internet connection. And guys, if you have connected with weak internet connection, then guys you need to change your internet connection or you need to use your mobile data. And guys, second step, maybe this problem is for network. So guys, simply you need to open your general, scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys from here you need to reset your network settings. And guys, third reason is maybe any VPN is connected with your device. So guys, simply you need to check and disconnect your VPN. And guys, after doing this you need to select your region according to your country, and guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing these settings your problem will be fixed. As you can see here, now I'm going to download that picture, and easily you can download that picture as you can see here. So guys, after doing this method, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to open your app store here, and guys from here you need to search your WhatsApp, and guys you need to open your WhatsApp here, and guys you need to update your WhatsApp. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.